Hello and welcome to this video on rationalising the denominator. In life, we generally like to think that we need to be rational about things. Take Maleficent, right? All that happened was she did not get invited to a baby shower, and what did she do? She ended up literally cursing the child. I mean, in my opinion, not exactly the post child for rational. So in this video, what we're going to do is teach a bit of rationalising the denominator. Now, all this means is we can't have a surd on the bottom of a fraction. So a surd is an irrational number. So rationalising the denominator means we're taking the denominator, the bottom number of a fraction, and we're going to turn it into a rational number. We can have an irrational number on the top, but just not on the bottom. Now, if you take a surd and multiply it by itself, the surd cancels. And logically, it does make sense. Because if you think about the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, well, 3 times 3 is 9. So the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is, in fact, 3. So by multiplying the square root of 3 by itself, the square root essentially cancels. So if we look at this example, 1 over root 11, to get rid of the surd on the bottom, that's what rationalising the denominator means. To get rid of the surd on the bottom, if I take root 11 and multiply it by itself, well, the square roots cancel and I'm left with just 11 on the bottom. Now, we know what we do to a bottom of a fraction, we have to do to the top. So because I multiply the denominator by root 11, I have to multiply the numerator by root 11 as well. And 1 times root 11 is root 11. So my answer will be root 11 over 11. And that is it. That is rationalising the denominator. Hopefully Maleficent can learn something from that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next video.